Oh, so close, but so far away. Oh my God, none of us have made a shot yet, by the way. All right, let's see if you make it. Come on, do it. Oh, so close. Finally. Good morning. It's me, Mikey Pipes, an Air Force nun, and the other Mike, by the way, who a week and a half ago had a case of Corona, and not the type you drink. He got the China virus. But now look, he's well, and we're good. And we're in an attic, and it's 8:04 in the morning. We're gonna take out this wildebeest of a Ream and put in a Bosch. Stay tuned. Air Force done. We have 110 volts or 240?
We have...
You're not going to tell by looking at that transformer.
I see 120 coming out.
Uh-huh.
So I said 0.
Check that voltmeter. Get the voltmeter. You need a voltmeter. The fluke. Oh, fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. All right, so we're taking out this Ream 3-ton R22. Oh, there's Daniel. Hi, Daniel. Figure it out? What? They're both connected? One's cold, one's hot? Well, one unit is running out there. There's 3 out there, isn't there?
120.
120 volts. Oh, fudge.
What'd I tell you? 120.
Oh, let me see your O face. Oh. I think I'm gonna back to my place and let me show her. I'm gonna show her my O face. Oh. All right. Kill power. So I disconnected. I'm gonna go help Daniel. Right, let's go take a look at the outdoor unit. We have 3 systems here. The monkey in the middle. The Ream 3-ton is coming out. Today, I'm gonna be utilizing the zoom lock. The RLS zoom lock. Good stuff. You guys haven't seen that in a while, but I got the fittings. The box gave way as I was walking to the backyard from the truck, but I got some couplings, I got some fittings. I know it says 3/4. We're gonna run 7/8 today, only because of the distance. I got about 50 feet, and I was able to get 20-foot lengths of 7/8 from the guys over at FW Web. So we're gonna use that. Same place who supplies my equipment. The Bosch. Beautiful. Beautiful, sexy machine. Really sexy machine. Look at this. And it uses just hardly any electricity. It's a beautiful machine, guys. Let me get a hashtag love Bosch. And I wanna give a special shout out to the guys and folks over at Bosch Thermal Technology Company for being a corporate sponsor to the Mikey Pipes YouTube channel. Thanks, guys. Really appreciate it. What we're doing right now is disconnecting line voltage and low voltage wiring to this condenser. We're going to put this bad boy on the high-rise pad, which is right there, which is great. If we use this in heating, and all that condensate is not going to form directly under it. It's going to form below it, means of the high-rise pad. Let's take a look at this coil. Literally crumbling apart, as you can see, and hence even more of a reason why to retire this wildebeest and put in the Bosch.
It's a pretty sick garage.
It's a sick garage, right?
Yeah. They got half-court basketball.
Cool. With a movie screen. Pretty epic. There you go. Hold on, I think, a little too short. Oh, I can dunk. I can dunk in the pool. With a loft. Not bad, not too shabby, huh? I think he's gonna go. Oh man. Yeah, that hasn't been changed since the day this probably garage was built. I think he's gonna hold on, grab his male appendage. Chris, you grabbed Jordan's junk. There's a projector in the wall? Oh yeah, look at that. That's pretty cool. Nice. Nice. I gotta admit, I love my clients. Is there a basketball? You think you could hit it? I don't know, try it. He's all like a pussy. I'm gonna do it one-handed, right? Like this. I got closer than you did. Let's see. Let's see if you can make it happen. The foul line or whatever it's called.
You have to jump from here to touch it?
No, just shoot from there.
Oh. No panel up there.
Let's see.
I don't know how to play basketball.
You don't know how to play basketball? Oh man, that would have been pretty epic. Chris, want to take a shot?
I'll take one.
You know, Peter's tall. He could probably dunk that.
I don't know. I think he might be.
You know, I spoke to Godzilla yesterday. He hurt his shoulder. He's out on disability.
Oh, I wish I could get that. Did we get Peter?
Yeah, we should go get Peter. To talk on
Peter,
camera.
come here. What did you do? What did you do? Come here. Come on, come here. Come on. Take a shot.
That's cool.
Take a shot. You gotta dunk it. Can you dunk it on camera? Hold on. This is when I do the wide angle, right? Like that. Bow. Oh, this looks epic, by the way. Oh, so close, but so far away. Oh my God, none of us have made a shot yet, by the way. All right, let's see if you make it. Come on, do it. Oh, so close. Finally. Mazel tov, congratulations. All right, let's go to work. Oh, come on, Chris. Watch the alcohol. Look. Hold on, you almost hit the alcohol. What do we got going on here? Some little 1800. Very nice. A little kiddish right here. What?
It's a casting couch.
Casting couch? Where? Oh. You have issues. All right. We've identified this double pole 30 amp breaker is for our outdoor unit. Now we're going to figure out which one of these is for our air handler, which we're going to have to convert to 240 volts. Not a big deal. Definitely not a big deal, but we'll be all right. I got Chris upstairs. He's going to call me. We're going to figure out which one this is. All right, we're cutting out this old condenser now. We've recovered all the refrigerant. And I want to give the community an update. Last night, after my date with Marilyn, the lovely Marilyn Monroe, I get a phone call, on my cell phone. And it's not a work call, so the guy has my number. And I think it was an imposter. He claimed to be the Emperor, the owner of Emperor Mechanical. And they're the folks that ripped off this old lady, or they're the folks who bought the equipment from Johnstone that was installed in his house along with the garbage. And he claimed that it was a disgruntled employee, ex-employee, and there's no way that he would have installed that equipment. And I'm like, all right, well, if that's your position, great, but your account was used at Johnstone to buy this equipment, and the garbage from said equipment was left on site. Right? And not to mention that the install was a complete hack job. But I think I'm going to do something a little bit different for this lady. People are talking about starting a GoFundMe page. I think she's loaded, by the way. I do. It's my personal opinion. I just happen to think that she likes to collect. I think she has an excessive amount of personal property. Hoarding. AKA hoarding. It's fine. Everyone has their vice. Everyone has no one's perfect, right? What I would like to do, this would be really, really epic. If Bosch, for example, right? Or maybe the folks at ICP, aka Comfort Maker, would donate equipment that we could install and we'll supply the labor. kind of like the Bosch, kind of like what Bosch Thermal Technology did with the U.S. Navy officer, where, see, even though it was installed properly, and Bosch donated a machine, we donated our labor, SupplyHouse.com donated some material, and we gave back to our people who defend our country. I think we're going to do that with this. All right, we're getting rid of this wildebeest. I happen to like the rectangles back in the days. The reason why I like these rectangles so much is because, by the way, let's move the Bosch over. Let's slide her over like I'm going to slide into your girl's DMs. Actually, can I slide into Brianna's DMs? No? Okay. The reason why I like the rectangle so much is that if I needed to work on the compressor, it's all in that compartment.
Well, yeah, you have all the weight up here.
Yeah, you do. See, Peter, we have to think smarter. That's why when I move something, I move things once where I know it's... What?
I put those there.
Oh, come on. I was going to rip him a new one. Okay. Ah, green flies. Damn it. See, we're at a... It's like we're in like the Hamptons over here. But we're just in back Lawrence.
There's a fuse.
Yep. And there's 2 more here. Okay. Peter, are you okay?
Yeah, it's kind of well.
Can you show the community your O face? Oh.
Oh, to me a little more. Oh, or not.
Or not. We're experiencing technical difficulties here, folks. He's going to run Daniel into the tree.
I'm gonna stand it up so you can fix it.
Or slide it over. Or lay it down.
Or
Or that, yeah. And I'll slide it over. Oh, look at the teamwork here. Teamwork. I love it. Good job, guys.
now go backwards.
I would normally stop recording, but every time I stop recording, Peter or Daniel, mostly Peter, does something that I wish I had on camera, so I'm going to keep it rolling. I have a feeling this is going to fall off and land on, like, Daniel's foot. Workman's comp. You're right, it would be. Are they steel-toed shoes?
They are.
Okay, so you're covered. You're covered, but because if you do something stupid and you hurt yourself, that's your own fault. Or you're wearing non-OSHA approved. Oh, someone sent me an email yesterday or commented on a video yesterday about wearing shorts. His last company that he worked for 18 years let him wear shorts, just like you're wearing a short sleeve T-shirt. I know you're not, but everyone else is. Right? And now his new company he works for, his boss refuses to let him wear shorts. So they ain't wearing pants. But Daniel's smart. He wears shorts. Oh, see.
Lifting it above the bottom. Pull it through you.
I would lay it right here for now. Good stuff. There you go. Good job. And unfortunately, you didn't do anything that would make people laugh while you were schlepping this thing from the... You almost dropped it on his foot, though. All right, it is 12:30. I had to leave to pick up a Bosch BCC 100 thermostat for this install. And since I was already at the shop, we went on a quick estimate. And now I'm back. I'm back on site. Let's see what Daniel's done so far. All right, it's a little tight here because you got the attic stairs, but just got the wiring done. So my red is RC. I left the jumper there between RC and RH. Doesn't matter. Doesn't need to have any concern with that. Y is yellow. My common is blue. My brown is, I believe I made that OB, yes. The white, I made Y2. The orange, I made, what did I make that orange? Hold on. W2, and green is fan. Okay, sorry about the little blurry, guys. Okay, put this bad boy on the wall. Come on, right there. Voila. They have a little paint, they're gonna touch that up, but it looks nice. Very nice. All right. It is time to program the thermostat. So, heat pump, set up. Reversing valve energized. I believe it's heat. I always get this one wrong. We don't have emergency heating. We don't have auxiliary heating. We have 2 stages heat, 2 stages cool. We have no dehumidifier. Let's set up the date and time. It is 1:15. And it's 2022, 7th month, and today is the 28th. Chris, today's 28th? I think it is 28th. Hold on. Yep, it's the 28th. We're gonna do Wi-Fi later. Schedule, no schedule for now. Review, boom, done. Okay, electric, perfect, done. Review, complete. And that's it. When the homeowner's home, we'll hook up to their Wi-Fi. It's a beautiful thermostat. All right, just finishing up this Bosch 3-ton IDS 2.0 heat pump system for a customer over here in Back Lawrence. Last finishing touch. There it is. If you ain't testing, you're guessing. That's me, Mikey Pipes. Check out my YouTube channel, Mikey Pipes, Pipe Doctor, Plumbing, Heating, and Air.
If you're not calling Mikey Pipes, you're getting screwed.
There you go. That's right.